If your book marketing feels like you're shouting into the void, I want to start today by saying that it is probably not the algorithm, unfortunately. I know that's not what most people want to hear, but it is actually good news because that means it is fixable. The first thing you need to do is to set the expectation. And today, that's why I want to talk about book marketing and how it often feels really ineffective, even when you are doing everything right, posting consistently, following advice, showing up. The missing piece almost always comes back to one thing, and that is storytelling. That's what we're talking about today. Hey everyone, I'm Melissa Bourbon. This is Marketing Monday on Bourbon and Books. Thank you for being here. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with your writing besties. It takes a village, and we together are that village. The first point I want to make is that the algorithm is not the real problem. Most writers assume their marketing isn't working because they don't understand the platform. The algorithm changed, the rules changed, they missed a trick of some sort. But algorithms don't actually decide what people care about. They respond to human behavior. They're trained. And humans don't engage with marketing, they engage with stories. Yes, they engage with stories. So, what are readers actually looking for and responding to? That's the big question, right? Well, they are not asking, is this book on sale? Well, maybe they are asking, is this book on sale? But they may not buy because of that. They're probably not asking, how many tropes does it hit? They're probably asking unconsciously, will this story make me feel something, even if it is on sale? Will I recognize myself in it? Will it take me somewhere that I want to go emotionally? When marketing skips over story and jumps right into selling, people tune out, not because your book isn't good, but because they haven't been given a reason to care yet. This leads me to my next point, which is why posting more doesn't actually fix anything. It doesn't solve the problem. More pins, more reels, more emails, none of that actually works if the core message is still transactional. So, visibility without having some sort of resonance is not going to make people convert from browsers into buyers and then your readers. This is exactly why so many authors burn out. They're working harder instead of communicating differently. And that's really the key. Now, I actually break this down much more deeply in another video called Stop Selling, Start Storytelling, where I talk about the specific shift writers need to make if marketing feels uncomfortable or ineffective. If this topic resonates with you, I really recommend that you watch that video next. It connects directly to what we're talking about here, which is storytelling. Storytelling, whether it's with your writing, or storytelling, whether it's with your marketing. All right, my next point is, what do you do instead of traditional marketing? So instead of asking, how do I sell this book? Try asking, what is the emotional promise of this story? What does my ideal reader struggle with that this book speaks to? What transformation does this story offer? When your marketing starts with those answers, the algorithm becomes sort of a delivery system, really not an obstacle. And that's very, very important. That's what we're after. If your book marketing hasn't been working, then I want you to hear this really, really clearly. It is not a failure on your part, and it is not because you're bad at marketing, and it's not because your book is bad. It usually just means that the story hasn't been centered yet. So again, watch Stop Selling, Start Storytelling next. It's linked also below. And then come back and tell me if this shift changes how you think about how marketing works and how you can market your work. We're talking about storytelling in all its facets for the next 4 or 5 weeks. So make sure that you come back to Marketing Monday next week, and also Craft Thursday, where we're talking about storytelling with craft. Thanks for being here. Remember, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Until then, happy writing, happy marketing, happy pinning, happy New Year.
You need keep working just to get it though. I know she carried your whole world.